coronavirus, lunch with a shark, pandemic, bullshit. Today it's a very interesting lunch with a shark because we just learned that the Department of Treasury in the United States, in conjunction with the Internal Revenue Service, has granted an extension of 90 days to file and pay taxes for corporations, entities, individuals, trusts, and all that fun stuff. So that's a good news. Is it? Is it really a good news? The Fed also reduced the interest rate to 0. Is it that good? Let me tell you one thing. The federal government in the United States is going to inject $50 billion into the economy. They had actually given discretionary amount to the Small Business Administration to provide loans to small businesses. I'm guessing many of you are wondering, what does that mean for your business? Let me break it down in two parts, and forgive my small print here. This is just a little thing that we're going to go over really fast because we don't have 1 year to explain this. Short term and long term in your business. Short term, yes, we might be desperate for cash to pay for our fixed costs. Fixed cost meaning rent, utilities, cell phone, employees, insurances, and so forth and so on. Everything that it's consistent in your business. In the long term, we're going to have to pay back the loans or the credit cards where we put everything on. The Small Business Administration came up with certain rules and regulations for this distress relief lending. They already have a name. COVID-19 Distress Relief Lending. The Small Business Administration, it's going to lend you up to $2 million only if you cannot secure a loan with somebody else. Meaning that if you go to your bank, to another lender, and things like that, and you get denied, they might look at you. Also, only if your state declares an emergency. The loan, it's going to be at 3.75% interest rate. But if you're a nonprofit, it's going to be 2.75%. And the loan, it's going to be for up to 30 years. 30 years. A question, is your business going to be around in 30 years? If not, you're going to be liable and responsible for that loan. Because guess what? Small businesses do not have credit capacity. It's all on you, the small business owner. You're going to guarantee this loan. Remember. And the Small Business Administration is going to require collateral. Meaning that you secure whatever amount of money you seek from that disaster relief loan 2.5 times. So if you request $1 million, they might ask you for a collateral of $2.5 million. Is that a bailout? No, it's not. You're on the hook for that. Now, there's 10 different things that you need to look into before you apply for a loan or when you're applying for a loan. Understand the different type of small business loans. Damn, is this a line of credit? Am I financing my accounts receivable? Do I need working capital? Is it a small term loan, meaning that it's less than 5 years? Is it a small business loan? Do I need this loan for equipment? Do I need a credit card? Then research the available lenders. before you go to the Small Business Administration, you're going to have to collect denial letters from direct lenders, large commercial banks, local banks, whatever it is. Anticipate how the lender will view your credit and risk profile. Do you have financials? Credit score, credit report on you, outstanding loan and cash flow, assets in the business, time in business, inventory in the company, financial statements. Do you have financial statements? Do you know all this answers to these things? Do you even have a credit file for your company? No. That's called a Dun and Bradstreet's number.
Lunch with a shark.
Make sure your financial statements are in order. Gather detailed information for your small business loan. All the fun stuff that every lender asks you. Be prepared. Determine what securities or guarantees can be provided. Are you going to ask your family to put down their home? Hells no. Analyze the key term of the proposed business loans. Review your online profile and postings. Guess what? This is going to take me several months to prepare. Wouldn't it be interesting if instead of going through this crap, I do my homework and continue working on my business, providing service to my clients, looking and see how can I help the client that I currently have grow and not stop my business. Please don't stop your business. Move forward. You are not going to suffer. Deliver exceptional service to your current clients. Grow your business. Every single major corporation has a significant growth during downtimes. Walmart, Disney, Costco, and I'm just naming some industries and some businesses. And it's not because they have cash. It's because they grow when there's adversity. You don't have to take advantage of people though. But fall and winter are the best times to grow your business. Financials. Work on your financials. Be prepared for the following step or for the following whatever it is episode on your business. Maybe after this has passed, it will be wise for you to apply for a loan, but for a loan to grow your business. Don't get a loan right now to mitigate the fixed costs. You have to be prepared. Your current clients will help you to do that. So think wisely. Think with your gut, not with your heart. Combine them. Be prepared. Support your community. Provide free consulting. Provide free services. When the economy gets better, and trust me, the economy will get better by the third quarter, fourth quarter of this year. We would not have significant growth, but it's going to get better. People in your community will remember you for what you delivered and gave them. Please, take a step back, relax. And now that you're in your home quarantine, I hope so, it's not a good time to go over all those Netflix series. It's a good time to work in your business. Work on your business. Make it grow. Don't get desperate. You're going to get out of this. We all are going to get out of this. See you next Tuesday with Lunch with a Shark in English and next Thursday with Lunch with a Shark in Spanish. Be safe out there.